Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to install Windows 10 operating system on your laptop and desktop computer. So let's go to the video. I am using an HP Intel Core i5 7th generation laptop for this purpose. First of all, we need to go to BIOS and make the boot order. Turn on the computer and keep pressing the F10 button at the same time. Remember this. This varies from computer to computer. After go menu the BIOS, we can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move between the taps. Go to System Configuration and select the boot option. Select the CD-ROM and enable click. Press the F10 button to confirm it. Press any key to boot from CD. Now we have come to the place where we will install Windows 10. Now we can choose the language and our country and continue. Now we need to select Skip in the menu that comes from here. Since it is not a genuine operating system, we are going to post a crack version. I am select Windows 10 Pro 64X. Since we are going to install a crack version, I choose Windows Custom Install. I am now going to install Windows 10 in C partition. Therefore, I have to remove the C partition first, so let's create that partition. Select Do this later. Select Express setting. You can provide a name with password for the security of the computer, but only the name is given here. Now we have successfully installed the Windows Systemate. If the video is good, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.